Hi everybody, it's Ashley in here and my sister, and we are inflating marshmallows. Yeah, we are. Right, so like basically we've just done a little testers and stuff, and
Right, that's why the
plate's kinda looks like that, you know. But like, first of all, we're gonna start off with one marshmallow, and we're gonna put it in for a minute, and then we'll see what happens. Right. Now this is like your wrongs and like rights. So for a minute, like I'll show you what happens. So you put it in, like I'm just gonna turn it off and back on. So then you put it to
1 minute.
1 minute, and then it should start. Then it should start, and you wait. Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. Like that. Make sure you get your spoons ready to dig in.
Yeah, because it's actually really nice.
Ah, it's really nice. Oh my god, look, can you see it through there? It's like kind of big, like.
Oh, you can kind of
they are.
It's looking well good.
Oh,
What
my
did
god,
you-
it's massive.
We never stopped.
Oh my god, where was it?
We stopped it before that. We stopped it at 30. And we never. No, we kept it going, didn't we?
Yeah.
Aye.
Oh god.
It's good pop.
Don't get your face away.
No, it's fine. It won't pop in my face. I'm not going to use pop out of your microwave.
This is it for a full minute.
Whoa, man. It actually looks huge.
Oh my
It's like-
god.
It's gone.
Oh my god.
That's just a bit weird.
I know, right, now, ready, be prepared to taste size it. Oh, it's big!
You get it. Big guys.
Whoa, that's massive. Watch, I'm going to get an ordinary one. Right, so basically, this is what it turned into. Crystal! Oh my god, you deflated it!
I never actually that.
This is what happens when you do it for a full minute. It like kind of dries and goes hard and crispy. That's what it does. And then it goes like really stretchy and all. Ew, that's disgusting.
Like pure corn. Oh man. No, actually.
Oh my god, you're filming.
I know.
So for a minute it goes like dry and crispy.
But it's nice though. It's good coffee. So video and me eating. Right, stop it.
Okay guys, this is what happens when you put 3 in for 15 seconds. Sorry about the plate. So 3 in for 15 seconds. Put my
Guys, this is nice and all.
Right, our convince doesn't go down to 15, so I'll just wait until it gets to 15.
Yeah.
It's actually so awesome when we do these 3.
It's really nice this. Oh my god, it's gone all weird again.
Oh my god, that's awesome. They actually just kind of melt.
Ask what you've went.
Right, okay, so it turns into something like that.
Right, we went past that.
Right, we only went like 2 seconds, 3 seconds, but usually for 15 it goes quite big. And it goes better as well, it goes like a nice gooey way.
No, it's still quite good, I think.
It's really nice. So like, yeah, we'll get back to you next time. We'll be doing it for 10 seconds.
Okay.
Right. Aye, and this might happen all like this kind of thing. You'll see this thing going on. That's probably the way you want it, but if you want it to go hard and crispy, you put it on for a minute. This is the marshmallows we use. Try some pot.
No, wait. Could have been. So hard.
I prefer it when it's hard and crispy.
Right. How long are we doing it for now?
That was lovely.
Hey guys, I advise you to get in
Cola. I drink, so we just need some cola. Right. Okay. Okay, this is for 10 seconds this time.
Somebody put in.
So, what?
Somebody put in.
I've only put in one.
That's right.
Do you want to put in 2?
I'll put mine.
Okay.
Put it back in the side.
Okay. So, yeah.
Yeah, so where do I set this out?
Just put it, see, up on the shelf, like, set it up on the shelf like that.
No, it's just one.
Right, okay, so you ready? Start. you can see the marshmallow from here, like you can see it like right there. And that's it now. With this, it just makes it go really nice and it's really nice and gloopy and stuff.
Wait, guess what? Oh, it's even working. That's safe.
Oh, sugar.
Not right.
I only said sugar.
Sugar.
It goes like really nice and gloopy, this, like that. So my flash is on, it shouldn't even be on. Make sure you're happy.
Because it dries out your throat. Dries out your throat.
So we're Clash at 18 and
Keep watching.
more videos tonight.
I think.
Yeah, there will be.
And more videos tonight.
So like, subscribe, comment and request. So yeah, we accept all challenges, by the way.
We are not doing the Chubby Bunny challenge. I'm not doing that. I'm not doing that. I'm not.
Just be a chubby bunny. I say we do it.
You can do it, I'm not doing it.
But there's not enough marshmallows.
Yes, I'm not doing it.
Oh,
Right, we're not doing it.
Sauce man.
Bye.